Hey guys, how are you all? I'm Lavanya. I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to bake something. Before that, I want to say with this corona thing going on in the world, people have just stuck to their kitchen and want to experiment something or cook something for their loved ones. So today, let's get straight into the video. So today I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies, which is interesting and also fun. The ingredients which are needed for this, of course, is the cookie mix, butter cube, 1 egg, a bowl like this, a parchment paper, and there's a sheet which I picked up from Walmart, and a spoon and a scissor obviously to cut the cookie mix. So before making the cookie mix dough, it is important for us to check the oven instructions. Firstly, make sure that there are no items in your oven inside because you don't want to burn them. Click on the bake and set your timer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then start. That's it. So we'll start with the process of making the cookies. Firstly, cut the packet. We are going to use the entire mix. Just beat the egg and add it. I've already kept this butter in room temperature, and I also have to melt this butter. So I just have to break this. Okay guys, now our butter is ready. We have to mix it in the mixer, and first I'll just mix everything with a spoon. Do not worry about the consistency because we are using the same instructions as given on the package. Now that our dough is ready, let's place all this dough evenly as cookies on these sheets. Now that our cookies are ready, we just have to go with the baking. Let's start the timer. Since we have already preheated the oven, we just have to give the timer and let the cookies bake. Okay guys, we are done with 10 minutes. So let's remove the cookies from the oven. I just heard the beep. So this is how the cookies look, and I can't wait to taste these cookies, but it's very hot, so we have to wait for it to cool down. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and do like and share and subscribe to my channel.